Our world today is greatly dependent on technology, and it's vital for most businesses. For this particular reason, experts in technology are in extremely high demand. In order to enter this industry, you need to know which degree best suits you. From the perspective of someone outside the tech industry, one might suppose that computer science, computer engineering, information technology, and mathematics can be used to interchangeably describe dealing with computer issues. However, there are certainly distinct differences that exist among these fields of study. Today we are going to differentiate and find similarities between information technology and computer science. In the end, I am going to list down all the disciplines that each field entails and the jobs available for both fields of study. So, keep to the end of this video and remember to give us your feedback in the comments section, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. What is information technology? Information technology may also be referred to as information systems or system administration. Basically, information technology professions are the users of technology. Information technology utilizes existing technological platforms such as operating systems, software, and applications to create systems that solve particular business problems. IT professionals, due to their nature of work, are likely to associate themselves with businessmen, entrepreneurs, clients, and co-workers outside their department. They are tasked with the work of solving problems that exist by resourcefully and cost-effectively applying tools at their disposal. Information technology students are required to have critical thinking skills, problem-solving mindset, teamwork skills, effective communication skills, in-depth understanding of business processes, and computer presentation skills. They may help explain to a client how to solve technology problems or work with executives and business owners to construct a technology plan that will meet their business needs. What is computer science? The field of computer science entails designing algorithms and programs for computer systems. Basically, computer science professionals improve or alter the transfer and storage of information. They utilize various mathematical algorithms and coding procedures to develop new systems that help to improve the capabilities of a computer. Computer scientists understand why computers work and can create a program or operating system that does what you want it to do. A degree in computer science will require a lot to do with mathematics and code work. You also need analytical skills that make complex algorithms and writing code more efficient. Skills required to succeed. The skills required to succeed as an information technology specialist or computer scientist often overlap. While every job may have additional requirements, these are the most important skills you need to develop. 1. Troubleshooting. 2. Analytical thinking. 3. Communication, oral and written. 4. Project management. 5. Attention to details. 6. Creativity. Courses in computer science and information technology. Now you know the major difference between information technology and computer science, two fields that are barely related but separated by their focus, curriculum, and future job opportunities. Let now visit the courses you will learn in each field. What are the courses in information technology? The courses in information technology include but are not limited to 1. Information Systems 2. Network Engineering 3. Operating Systems 4. Database Fundamentals 5. Information Security Fundamentals 6. System Analysis 7. Business Technology 8. Hardware and Software Troubleshooting 9. Network Administration 10. IT Ethics. What are the courses in computer science? The courses in computer science include but are not limited to 1. Theory of Computation 2. Software Security 3. Computer Graphics 4. Algorithms and Data Structures 5. Calculus 6. Linear Algebra 7. Software Engineering 8. Web Development 9. Cryptography 10. Programming. Job/career opportunities. It doesn't matter the field you choose, information technology and computer science suffer from a lack of qualified professionals, as the demand for persons with good computer skills is constantly growing, when it comes to job opportunities and salaries. Major consumers of digital skills like Google have launched their digital training courses to train almost everyone to work in the field of technology. Now let's take a walk at the most popular information technology and computer science jobs opportunities. Information technology jobs. 1. IT Technician 2. IT Consultant 3. IT Business Analyst 4. IT Project Manager 5. IT Security Analyst 6. IT Director Computer Science jobs. 1. Computer Scientist 2. System Analyst 3. Web Designer 4. Software Programmer 5. Data Scientist 6. Business Analyst 7. Java Developer. Either discipline is a great choice for your studies, as long as you're passionate about technology, and you understand what each study option implies. With either IT or computer science, you can rest assured that you'll have a secure job, with a hefty salary that will only increase as time goes by and you gain experience. Remember the saying, the more you learn, the more you earn.